Right then guys, so we are back again, and today we're checking out a huge abandoned care home. Decent size as well. We're gonna have a little wander around and see what we could see. We could have got through here. Yeah. Oh, well, saying that, it's a little bit overgrown. It's been a bit of a jungle trek. Oh wow.
It's massive.
It is huge. So you've got...
Yeah, I found there's an entrance on the side of the building, so you can enter the basement from outside. It's open.
Oh, okay.
No,
right. I'm going to say we've just seen that as well, so it would have been nice and easy to get into.
Way.
Yeah.
It's over, sure.
We just take the hardest route. Just
Just this way.
That's the best way. This way. That's how you do it. Sure, this way.
It's like if the guy who's
Should we start from the bottom and work up?
Yeah, let's go down.
Okay.
Let's go.
right.
Right, well,
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, United Kingdom. It's patriotic in that.
We are patriotic.
That's just weird.
What the hell?
That's creepy.
Yeah.
Hello?
It's quite creepy in here actually. What the hell? Ooh. It's like there's been fire in here at some point. Yeah, it's not exactly difficult to get into, is it?
Oh, no, it wasn't.
Oh, flats over there, we need to be careful. So yeah, today we're joined by Agatha.
Hi.
Hey. So what's your name again, sorry?
Hubert.
Hubert. And Hubert as well.
Hiya.
Hello. Good to join us today on us Explores. And we've obviously got with us LD7 and Jacob as always. Oh, it's your kitchen area. Okay. Oh, cool. Nice, really. Ah.
It's a bit wet in that on the floor.
Okay. Oh, is it a dumbwaiter? Or is it a...
It's locked.
Probably not a bad thing, really. Oh, yeah, I see what you mean. Like, just... So this is like this is the ground floor. So we're gonna go in, we're checking all this ground floor out. I'm gonna head upstairs. I think there's 3 floors to it by the looks of it. It's a good size, this one, definitely. It is. Yeah, it's definitely been a fire or something in here, aren't there? What is it? Ugh. I was laughing earlier on because I was saying this time now could have been in Chernobyl instead we're in Liverpool. Could have been doing Chernobyl.
Yes, there, so we'll check the
Yeah.
Okay, cool. No worries. Ooh. I can't believe that mirror's not been smashed. I'm surprised.
Yeah.
Really surprised. Yeah. Okay.
Shit.
That's cool, there.
Oh. Yeah.
We're in the land of the scouts.
We are. Good grief. There's just like nothing left in here.
This bit's fucked.
The top floor. The doors just lead to nothing.
2004.
Yeah, this section of it's clearly been set fire to. 2004.
2004.
Okay. So that's when it were abandoned, by the looks of things then. 2004.
Abandoned, so it's about the latest funeral.
Okay.
Ambulance for patient for 2nd of the 2nd, 2004.
Okay.
Someone phoned in sick as well that day. Bloody funny sickies.
Phoning in sick.
Apparently upstairs, what I've read, it's quite a lot of abuse happened here.
Really?
like they got closed down because of the CQC forced it to close due to abuse and neglect of patients.
Oh right,
So,
okay.
A lot of bad shit's happened in here.
Right.
Which means it's probably haunted. And I have heard tales of it being haunted. Explorers coming in and having stuff thrown at them and stuff like that.
Really?
So that's upstairs.
Well, let's hope so then. Oh, it's the old laundry room. Let's have a quick look at this.
See, I'm surprised because this is like good metal, isn't it?
Yeah.
No one's took this.
Well, strappers haven't come really.
Yeah.
Took all this out.
I'm not
Old tumble dryers.
not approving of that. I'm just saying, I'm surprised, especially in the area.
Yeah.
What we're in.
Yeah. Okay, so we're going to move on. God, I look quite attractive today, actually. Not bad. What we got in here? Oh yeah, cool. That's awesome.
No, no.
Shane. Right, Jacob. Say hello.
Good evening.
Jacob,
Good evening.
Hello.
There he is, the Slim Shady guy. There he is.
I'm Slim Shady.
He's the real Slim
We'll
Shady.
get him to do a rap in a bit. We'll get him to do some rapping later on.
Someone's from maintenance here. So see like bulbs,
Body
piping.
tables.
I think here like keys.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, of course. It looks like the yeah,
Yeah, the keys.
the old maintenance shop.
Workbench.
Oh, some pipe.
Okay.
Oh, is it like a?
It's still new, actually.
Is it weird? Oh, that's been like yeah. Is that
yeah.
the same?
It's like a clamp, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fire seal.
Fire seals, yeah. That's just been left.
So that one is new, brand new.
Of course, yeah. Huh. All right.
I've seen the over this over.
Oh, look at the white mold. Ooh.
Oh,
Don't want to breathe in that in.
Oh, shit.
Black white mold.
White mold.
Not good.
Certificates in Mr. Glenn.
All right.
Something for doing a 1 mile run.
Go on, Glenn. Big lad.
Excellent. Let's keep going then, shall we?
2010.
This is a cool little room. It looks very Last of Us in here.
The communal room.
Very Last of Us.
Big door and that.
Yeah, so we're now on the we're now on the second floor. And we're just having a little wander. Oh my days!
More steps over there.
What is there? Jacob's found himself a little top. Oh my days! Wow! You're throwing things. You daft twat.
The hairdresser.
Keep the noise down. Look at the stained glass window. How cool is that? I think this is a grade 2 listed building, so it's been here for a very long time. Wow, look at the old staircase.
So they're doing smash 2010 at least.
I think it was shut down in 2009, from judging by a letter we found. A bit further on. That piano was awesome. Stop it now, Jacob. Come on, serious. This will be a serious, scary video. Serious, scary. There you go, ladies. Sorry, he's not.
Penis! Oh, sorry.
There's another one. Over
Sorry,
there.
he's not single. So we're going to head upstairs to the 3rd floor now.
I think we're friends. Yeah.
Now it don't feel most stable, does it?
Oh, yeah.
Eerie.
Okay.
Should I try?
Wow.
Can you go further?
The old chandelier and everything. It's amazing. So these are all your old. These are the residents' bedrooms, aren't they?
Yes. Looks like it.
Wow.
Oh wow. Look at
I am getting proper Last of Us vibes up here. This has got to be one of the better locations we've been to, considering the state that it's in. But yeah, it's really cool. I like it. I like it a lot.
that. Literally crust.
Right, over there.
It's like it's got
Floor is
scabs.
just-
It's like a scabby carpet.
Look nice.
Just
Okay.
really steady.
So we're just checking all the old residents' rooms out. Wow. Amazing stuff. What's in here? There's the old toilet in there. There's not much to show you in there.
Which is fine. Care on usually are. But it's just the history of that. This place has.
Shower. Old toilet. I'm really impressed with this one. Really impressed with this one. I wasn't expecting it to be as intact as it is, really. I know upstairs is a little bit sort of dodgy in terms of like there's been fire damage and some roof's missing, but to say it's still got the old piano in here and the old stained glass window and the old some of the old stuff still left in beds, curtains, that kind of thing is really, really good. It's really cool. We're just trying to obviously watch a step on this floor because these floors aren't great. They're a bit sketchy, aren't they? Definitely got some sketchy floors going on. Oh my, that grotty old bedding still in here. Pillars, pillowcases, quilts. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, that's no, that's not fun.
Let's see if we can walk on it.
Looks like the old communal area. Look.
Yeah.
Look at this. There's got some old books in here.
There's loads on the floor.
Loads of books. Island. Floating down to Camelot. This is probably where where the residents used to sit back in the day.
Chilling out with homies.
That's it. And a little chill. Little old footstool there. Do you want that, Mum?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Books everywhere.
This is the bingo room, I think.
Yeah, I think it's bingo room or some kind of communal area where they all used to sit
Just used to
and chill out. Just picture a Jacob here. Look. It's Jacob.
Is that
That's the book. Here he is.
What's that?
I don't trust these floors in here. It looks knackered. I mean, obviously, you can see from the state of the roof, it's just collapsed. All supports have been snapped, burnt. Yeah, it's one thing we do end up having on this channel and on Matt's channel. So many busts you wouldn't believe. So many busts. We drive miles and miles and miles for hours and hours, and you get nowhere at all. We've driven a good couple of hours up motorway to get to this one, and it's panned out. It's worked out really well. In fact, it couldn't have worked out any better, really, to be honest.
Don't you think this looks very creepy now?
It does. It does. I was saying to Matt earlier.
You know, like a horror film, where like you see a little fellas running after you.
Yeah.
Like Friday 13.
It. Oh.
Instead it's Sunday the 17th.
It's Sunday the 17th. That should be right window, guys. Oh.
Right.
It's all right. The floor, just as I stood on it, started sinking in there. I could have gone through. And we are 3 stories up. Last thing I want to do is just fall through a floor now. Old linen store. Cool. Towels and flannels, woven blankets, lightweight blankets, plain pillars, and just a gigantic hole in roof. Careful there. That's really unstable. These floors aren't great. It's not too bad here, but that floor there, I'm a bit dodgy. I don't think these floors are stable at all. What do you think, Agatha?
It's really creepy, it's massive.
It is.
I love it, I love it.
She loves it. There we go. Excellent.
It's massive.
Excellent. No, it is actually a really good one, this.
Jacob.
Jacob.
We're not way out.
Yeah, we'll be fine, I'm sure. Love the old bay windows. They just look really cool as well. Brilliant. What do you think?
It's massive.
Yeah, it is. It's a good size. We weren't expecting it to be like this.
A lot of stuff here.
There's so much.
Surprised.
Yeah, we are as well. We really didn't expect this to be this much stuff still left in it. Really, it's impressive.
Let's do your cataracts.
There I am. Check me out. Alright guys, so we just had carried on having a walk up on the 3rd floor of the place. Take my torch for a minute. On the 3rd floor, and we're walking around thinking that were it. No, it's not, because as you'll see in a second, we've just turned a corner and we've got yet another staircase that goes up even higher. So we're going to go and have a little look at it.
Absolutely, let's go.
Let's do it. All right.
Over there and upstairs, amazing.
I love the old sort of Victorian era, you know, old architecture. It's fantastic, really cool. Oh wow, and we can get on the roof up there. Maybe. It's really cool.
Electric don't work.
Switch off the lights when you're in the room.
Okay. This is awesome. So yeah, as you can probably tell, shame there's no room numbers. Get an idea of how.
What the fuck? Oh my god.
What's happened? Matt's just.
Oh my god.
What happened? What is it?
No, that's
Squeeze over my shoes, I'm walking front and then bloody bird just comes out and...
What was it?
A pigeon!
Oh, a pigeon.
Pigeon.
Oh.
Flew out a
I
window.
wonder what had happened then. I run in here getting all excited thinking something scary had happened. It's just a
Unfortunately,
pigeon.
my fault, guys.
So yeah, 3rd floor. More bedrooms.
No, it's not.
I checked. Oh, I've already been in this one already. I checked that one.
Oh, okay.
But it's still got the old bed frames in it. It's just really strange. The old headboard, creepy old headboard, and a wild Matt again. Obviously, there he is.
Hi.
Hi. He's obviously again. If you've not seen him in my last video, the hoodie. There it is.
You already know.
You already know. Check him out.
ld7explores@gmail.com on a hoodie. Check, email me and I'll get you one free of profit.
I'll get you one. You see.
Free of profit.
Free of profit.
You know what I'm saying?
You can't get a better deal than that, guys. So yeah, if you want one,
It's like a...
drop him an email. Look at the old paperwork.
More notes. That's
What?
communication work, look. It's like night staff to all
What?
night staff, all staff. Just be careful when clocking in and out. The floor and your clock is place wet.
Wow.
Yes, oh here. There's more patients probably, caravans.
Oh my god.
Still Blanco. Some of them.
You see, this should not have happened. They should have never
No,
allowed.
absolutely.
You know,
and everything.
Yeah, you'd think really, you know, when they shut the place down.
That,
I mean, I would expect that in the old building.
Yeah,
Why not? It was closed 10 years ago?
2009.
10 years ago roughly,
Yeah.
yeah it was. Maybe slightly longer. That's right.
Look,
But you'd think they would have come in and taken confidential information away, you know? Yeah. God, I can't believe it. There's only one other place we went in before, and it was a place in Lincoln.
Yeah.
Funnily enough, another care home that we went to. And that had so much stuff still in there. It even had bottles of saline, the old syringes still in the packets, obviously, you know. All the patient information, the times and the dates they died. Everything's still in there. Everything. You know, that were a creepy place as well. Really creepy. See, I think this is all right, but in the night time, in the dark. Okay. Oh my days! Look at this.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's just mental.
Oh, Christ.
What?
Whoa.
How
Look at that
cool
chair.
is this?
What?
Yeah, we're
That's a
really
great editing chair, that.
extremely high up here. Yeah, let's go for it.
Let's do it!
Let's do it, mate. Let's do it. So basically, yeah, guys, the only way we can get to the other side of this building is through that window, as Matt's demonstrating now.
My ass!
He's got his arse stuck. There you go. Because as you can see over here, the floor's collapsed. We tried walking around that side, but forget it, because it's all spongy and, well, it's... If I can pass you your camera, and can you quickly film me coming through before my battery dies?
Yes, of course. Right, Mike's coming through now. I'm just going to jump down though, alright? So if you could let me jump down first, so there's not too much pressure. Here he comes. Nice and easily done. I got my arse stuck, mate.
It had to be from the side.
Yeah,
Nice
very
side,
wise.
sort of side
We've got
angle.
to go back that way.
Fucking hell.
There's some more stuff.
So, we are on the roof now of this huge building. It's awesome. We've had to climb through that across these sort of like the roof tiles to get to this next section of it, because like I was saying before, that floor there, I mean, you could walk around it, but I've just stepped on it and it's like really spongy and unstable. And as you can see, these support beams as well are just burnt and charred, so we weren't going to risk falling through the floor. There's holes in floor around here, so I just have to watch where I'm stepping. Wow, cool as hell. Old reclining chair. So many different rooms here. Fantastic place. Really cool. you know, shout out to LD7 for finding this one. He's smashed it, got on his maps and found this bad boy. Really, really pleased with it. So yeah, check out his channel. I'm sure you already have anyway. I'm sure you all know who he is, but yeah, in case you don't and you're a new one to the channel, make sure you check out his as well. Okay. Ooh. What's up here? Little staircase that leads to, well, nothing pretty much. Little attic bedroom. What's left of it. Let's go back down here. Excellent. Wow. Oh, awesome. Fantastic. So much still left behind. So much left. Fantastic. So basically, yeah, I'm gonna head down because everybody's headed downstairs now and I'm up here on my own. So I'm gonna head back downstairs. This is a different staircase. Look at this. We've got, oh, fucking hell. Ugh. Oh. Okay, a wild agata. There she is. Oh, it's watch back on again.
I'm not saying anything, but over there is a Polish beer.
Ah, Tysky. Is it Tysky or Tisky?
Tisky.
Tisky. Yeah. Tisky. Tisky. You got a Tisky? That's weird. Just like a little, chill.
Yeah.
Place to just relax, chill out. Hopefully not fall through the floor. Very nice.
The view.
Yeah. Fantastico. And then we're back to the grand staircase. I think that's pretty much it for this one. It looks like it anyway. I think we've seen everything we need to see. Yeah. So yeah. Well, I think I'm going to cut the video at that point, guys. If we carry having a little walk around and we see anything else, I'll obviously be sure to put that in the video as well. But I think we're pretty good at that. Hope you've all enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, make sure you turn on all notifications because we've got some really cool videos coming up soon. Like I said before, check out LD7 Explores' channel as well. Fantastic videos on there. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.